What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to be testing another method for cleaning white shoes. This one is so easy and simple. All you need is some Oxi Clean and a bucket of hot water. As you can see, my white shoes are pretty dirty. They're covered in dirt and stains. And then my daughter asked if I could clean her shoes as well, and hers are really dirty. They've got mud and dirt all over them. So the first thing that you want to do is get a rag and dip it in your hot water and just start wiping and scrubbing off the excess dirt and stuff on your shoes. And you just want to give them a really good scrub before we put them in the Oxi Clean. After you've scrubbed off your shoes, then you want to add about 2 scoopfuls of the Oxi Clean to your hot water. If you have a bigger bucket, then you might want to add more Oxi Clean, but if it's about the size of mine, 2 to 2.5 should be good. Then all you have to do is put your shoes in the water and make sure that you fully submerge them. You probably will have to use something to hold the shoes down. I used a bucket of water and placed it on top of the shoes so that it will be held under. And then you leave it in there either overnight or for about 6 hours. After they've been in there overnight or 6 hours, then you want to throw them in your washing machine and wash them on cold. All right, and this is the final results right out of the washing machine. I think that they look amazing. They look so much brighter and whiter. There's only one little spot that it did not clean that had a pretty bad stain on it. Other than that, I think the shoes came out great. They actually look even better in person than they are picking up on my camera. But I think this is such an easy method since the product just does all the work for you and the washing machine. And that is all that I have for you guys in this video. If you liked it, be sure and give it a thumbs up, share, leave me some comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.